Right, guys, we're just in ASDA. Lucy Lou, I've got £4.50.
Okay.
That's it. Can you make us something?
Of course. So now I'm down the bread aisle. I'm going to go to bread. 39p.
Where to then next then, Lou?
Beans.
So is that it? Beans on toast?
26p. Well, it could be, but you're giving me £4.50, so I'm going to go for it. And I'm going to get some tomatoes. Some sausages, £1.40. And bacon, £1.40. And I think I'm going to pour some cheese, 55p.
So what are we having then, Lou?
I'm going to be cooking up a breakfast lasagna cooked my way. So let's get it home and cook it up.
Right, so we're back home now, Lucy.
Yes, so it was £4.28, and what I bought was a breakfast lasagna. Now, I call it a lasagna. People say it's not a lasagna because you haven't used pasta in it. That's fair enough. But I'm going to use the bread slices as basically like the layer up. I've also got some eggs in my staples and might put those in as like scrambled in a layer. So first off, what you want to do, you want to get your sausages and your bacon all cooked up. So the sausages and bacon have been cooked now, so all I'm going to do is cut these sausages in half. So everything's cooked and prepared now. I've got the beans, the plum tomatoes, which I've cut up, the toast, the cheese, the sausages, the bacon, and I've done some scrambled egg. So I've got 3 pieces of toast in the bottom there, and I'm now going to layer it up with some cheese. Next layer, I'm going to add the sausages. And it should look something like that. Then I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. Add some more toast. Add your crispy bacon. Add another layer of cheese. Add your beans on now, and then I've done some eggs, so I'm going to add that on before the toast. You don't have to if you don't want to. Get some salt and pepper on. And finally, add your last layer of toast. Don't forget to add the last layer of cheese to the top. And that's done. Just going to bung it in the oven for about 15 minutes. If you do want to cook savvy, check out all my meals. Press the follow button and it's done. Let's have a look.
And there we go, breakfast lasagna. Look at the size of that, it's huge. Right, let's get some on a plate and let's see what it's like. Here we go, look at that. Well, that's one massive portion there, and then look at that, that's about another 2 portions there. Yeah, guys, what an absolute bargain. £4.28 for a bit of what? A bit of breakfast lasagna. Enjoy. But the question is, do we get red sauce or brown sauce? Comment down below.